Hello and welcome back to Thank God More. So unboxing video, and it's about Rubiks Cube, and it has a lot of customizations. Like you can adjust the magnets inside, this is the first ever magnetic cube I've heard of. It is $60, and here it is. Box it says it is. We can just get on to opening this. So let me just quickly get this out of the package. Satisfying feel when you open like tape. Is going. Okay, so I think this is how you do it. There's a small like sliver there where I can probably pop this part out. I don't know for sure if that's it. Yeah, it is. Let me just grab that piece. Yep, the centerpieces are it is off, and from here I'm pretty sure I could change the spring. So let me just see. Right now, what is it? It's a green. I'll say I want to. Oh, okay, I get it now. The ones are already installed. Ah, okay. So wait, how do I take this out? Ah, I need to use their screwdriver thing. It's not this one. It's this one? No, lefty. Left. Do you turn it left or right? Do I turn it right? Counterclockwise. So they're holding it like this. It's saying to turn it that way. Okay. That's like tightening it. Oh no, it's loosening it. Yeah, I definitely can't do it with my fingers. Eh. Ah, there we go. I can now start to spin it with my finger. No, we have to spin it like once more. No, spin it again. No, spin it again. There we go. Gotten it out. Do put it on that way? Or so I think it's color side down. Now we spin it rightwards a lot of times. That should be tight enough. So I think now I just pop this back on. Oh. Which way? That? That's kind of a... It probably would snip in wherever it's supposed to go in. So I don't think it's that way. Maybe it's that way. Ah, wait, I don't know. And I would want it this way, because I know usually you would hold it this way, but I can't be fully sure. Aha. Oh. Never mind. That made it actually looser. As you can see. So you can feel the magnetism there, right? Well, I can feel it, but it made it looser. Never mind, turns out I have to do it the other way. Let me take all of these magnets out and change them all for purples, or no, blues. I'm gonna go for blues because that's kind of the middle-ish, but not the strongest. So I'm gonna put in blue for the springs. Springs matter a lot, so do the magnets. So let's put this guy back. Let's put this green there. That purple. So there would be 6 sides. Now I can start to fill in the greens. Okay. I did not know that could happen. Let me quickly put this centerpiece back on. So this has already been lubed. Just put this corner piece, and then these few pieces, which, this is over here. Well, it's gonna be right there. Now I know that I'm definitely gonna have to be careful with this cube, because I'm never gonna try to like break it. I guess you have to replace each and every one by one, though, because I kind of have to stuff that in. Let's put this guy back on. Since this is lubed, it's a bit easier, and it's better for the cube to be lubed. How do you put these corners in, though? Like that? Ah, there we go. I know I'm never gonna do that again. So let me turn these back into place. I don't know why there's just multiple sizes. I don't know, like maybe that goes with that. Twist and turn and twist and turn and twist and turn. I'm just putting in the purple ones because, okay. Ow. So let me quickly change all of these. So yeah, what I use is, I'm pretty sure, the green strings and purple strings mixed. So I use the green strings here, that, and that, and then I use the purple strings here, there, and there. So here's the bag, here's the box. I put all the accessories back. Oh yeah, and the magnets I use are this green magnets because I don't like them too strong, like the ones I used before. I'll have to. It's a really cool system how they use this. So the honeycombs are like, This is kind of the inside. It's the honeycomb pattern. That's what they call it. Here is this piece, which is actually supposed to go on this side. No, wait. Yeah, it's supposed to go this side. Right there. And then I'm pretty sure you put this in, which you guys can't really see. But I'm just gonna quickly pack this up and just move on to the outro. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos about iOS development, unboxing, cubing if you guys want me to, like, I don't know, do videos on like the weekends, seeing in 10 tries how much I can improve on my cubing skills and how fast. Here's the cube in its pouch. I'm probably going to keep it in this until like the weekends because, well, I've work to do. So I guess that could be it. So bye.